As time passes by, we make it a continuous habit to watch videos as a form of passive leisure. We all know that the most well-known platform to watch videos is YouTube. Let's think about it this way. You are watching YouTube videos in your downtime. Now, what if you get paid for that? I know, that may sound a bit crazy. Just hear me out for this whole video though, and I can tell you all you need to know about this way of making money online. The thing is, people from all across the globe have been doing this strategy for the last decade. For this video, I will be showing you a website that has the potential to give you hundreds, thousands even, of dollars. Just imagine being able to watch videos as a form of leisure and being paid to do only that. You can begin doing that by first signing up on the website I will be discussing in this video, then going to YouTube and watching the videos. Those are the only things you need to do, and you can make money online just through that. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. Now, let's get right into the video. First and foremost, you have to make sure that you own a YouTube account. Should you not own one, I suggest you to go over to YouTube and create one. As for the similarities of signing up and making an account on any website, this is how you typically do it when signing up on YouTube. Click on the Sign In button on the top right side of the homepage of YouTube. You will then be redirected to another page, and from there, click on the Create Account button. A pop-up options tab will come out from below that button. Go ahead and select the For Myself option. After that, you will see another page that will require you to input your basic information such as your email address, password, and your full name. After that, click on the Next button. Thankfully, you don't have to pay for anything because it is absolutely free. I would advise that you don't skip anything on this video and to stick around until this video ends. After creating your YouTube account, the thing you need to focus on now is the process of getting the money you earned from watching YouTube videos. A lot of individuals usually make the decision of heading straight to these websites that pay you to do specific jobs for them online. They get the money, sure. However, when withdrawing the money they earned, they do not have the slightest clue on how to withdraw their hard-earned money. Don't worry though, in this video I will be demonstrating to you how to do just that. The feature that makes this money-generating strategy worthwhile and convenient is that you are able to select from an array of various payment options. This includes Krill, RTM, Litecoin, PayPal, and a whole lot more. As a personal preference, I would prefer the e-money platform PayPal. What makes PayPal great is that it's a free platform and that you are able to easily cash in your hard-earned money. Not to mention that this platform is made available on an international scale, meaning everyone can have access to it. Before we move on to the rest of the video, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we've got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. The second step here is to make sure you have a PayPal account. Like any other sign-up process, PayPal is fairly easy to make an account in. Do that and you're good to go in this part of the whole process of earning money by watching YouTube videos. Let's move on to Pick a Workers. This website is considered to be a marketplace wherein business owners and freelancers are able to connect and negotiate tasks. Making money online can be done through this website, and you can come in here even if you're only looking to make more money on the side, even if you're currently employed. It is also okay if you engage in something like this when you do this in your spare time and if you don't have skills, because this is technically foolproof. You only need to press on play, watch the video, and get some cash in. So with that, go on Pick a Workers and locate the Freelance and Earn button on the top of its homepage. You will then be redirected to a page wherein you can see the amount of money people who use Pick a Workers are earning. The latest completed tasks and the latest requested withdrawals are also shown here, including other information. As you can witness here, people from all around the world use Pick a Workers. This website has proven itself to give hundreds of dollars to its users, thousands even. It also shows here that there are people who only earn a couple dollars, so there are a variety of different users here, depending on the amount of videos they watch and the money they are able to generate. You can find here the latest requested withdrawals, with their payment options stated here. With this, you can see the proof of their payments. As shown here, there are many payment options: Litecoin, AirTM, PayPal. As we are here in the Freelance and Earn section of Pico Workers, I want you to make your free account here by clicking on the green Sign Up button on the top right corner. As mentioned above, just like in every sign-up process, you'll need to input some basic information for your Pico Workers account: email address, password, name, nickname, and the country you live in. From there, click on the I'm a Worker option and check the box for the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Once you press on Sign Up, you will then be able to use your Pico Workers account. On this page, you will be shown many jobs available. Each job will differ in the amount of money earned. For the right sidebar, the amount of money you can be making will be shown here. In between the categories Job Level and Subcategory, change this option to Video Marketing and press Apply. This will display to you many jobs. There are thousands of jobs to be chosen from here in which they can be done fully and will get money from. As you can see here, these jobs are able to pay all of us for simply watching videos. It's quite surreal being able to earn money just by doing something that you do almost every day. Now I want you to select any of these jobs here. You're only a new user to this website, thus it is necessary that you give out some personal information like the city that you live in now, your birthday, and a few other pieces of information. As you scroll down further, you can view the amount of money you can cash in when watching the video. You'll also be seeing a section that goes, "What is expected from workers?" First step would be to go to youtube.com. Next would be to look for this keyword in the search bar. The third step would be to search for this video with this specific thumbnail. Note that you shouldn't use any sort of filter such as newly uploads and ones that are similar to that. You will not gain money from that. The next step would be to watch the video for approximately 10 minutes. I advise you not to skip any part of the video or your payment for this video will not be considered. A tip I would suggest for you to do is to mute the sound of this video and you can keep it in the background playing. This is so that you don't watch the whole video. For this, you are gonna be passively generating cash. Additionally, you need to press like on the video. Yes, you heard it right. You can keep these videos in the background and you can get paid for that. To maximize your results of gaining more money, however, you may want to do other things for work while also doing this. That way, you can ensure that money is coming your way. Pico Workers is considered to be a micro job site in which people pay others to do something with their content. For example, giving likes to posts on their Facebook account, you'll only need to press on your mouse button once for this. More so, clicking on their links and going to their websites can also get you money. Now, I will admit, these don't pay really high. However, the work done for this is so easy. I'd like to stress that this is something worth investing time in. Should you want to engage in an online side hustle, using your money from Pico Workers as your investment money will prove to expand after a while. This website also gives out jobs wherein you can sign up on various platforms and the only thing you need to do is put in your full name and email address to get paid. For this website, it offers a ton of various jobs and you can do as much as you want to. Keep doing all these different jobs a few hours a day and you're sure to bag in a lot of money. That's it for today's video tutorial on how to make money online by watching YouTube videos. Again, as I mentioned earlier, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money generating trick we've got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. Good luck and see you in our next video.